Do you know that you can turn that your dark picture, that your picture when they dark, when they brown, you can turn it from this kind one to this particular one that is over here. And before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. I believe many of you that have watched my previous video concerning this app, I believe say una go don download am by now. So if you have not downloaded it before, the link to download the pro version of this app is in that video. So you go there to watch it so that you get the link to download the app. So from there now, what you will do from here is that you open the app here. You open the app. So after you have opened it, after you have opened the app, the next thing you're going to do from here is that you come to this edit. Then once you touch it, you select the picture when you want change that picture, when you know say it dey brown, it dey dark, when the face not the too much dey show. So you select it. For example, I will select this particular one here. So after you don select and finish, you go load. When you don load like this, so the next thing when you go do be say you come to this option, this icon wey dey the bottom. So you dey scroll and dey go this corner until you go see the particular one. So I will dey scroll from here. Then until you go see this one showing enhance here, you go touch am. After you touch am, you will see and say you will display for the screen something like this, enhancing photo quality. So you go wait until it go load finish. And this thing, so you need network. You must get network for inside your phone or for inside your laptop before you fit use am. So after it all load finish, you will show something like this to you, where you will be seeing after and before. This one are the before the picture. Then after you don touch that enhance finish, na be this side. So you scroll am, this you touch here, you go scroll and go this side to see the result. Then for you to cover the result, you scroll and go this side. If you scroll and go this side, you go see how the picture dey before. But if you scroll and go this side, you will see how the picture be after you don do am finish. So I go scroll and make you see am from here. When you scroll and go this side like this now, you see and see the result. The picture from here na the face, all of it dey show. But if you scroll and go this side, na the way the picture be before you enhance it. So you fit scroll like this to see the difference between the two. You see, and let me now put am for the middle. You see and say from one side go the other side, it dey dark, while the other side go the other side, it dey pure. So what you will do from here now is that you scroll and code this ND. After you don scroll and code the ND finish, then you come touch on this apply, where the arrow dey direct to. You touch on this apply to make sure say you apply the effect towards am. So I'll touch am. After you don touch am finish, the next thing what you go do be say you touch save. You touch on the save. After you touch on the save, it will automatically save to your phone or to your system, and you fit see am for your save to storage, which means it don save enter your picture. So from there now, we'll go view am for inside our SD card. You can see the difference between the two. So that is how you convert that your brown picture to a nice one or to a clearer one.
Please, if you have not subscribed before, don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will be the first person to see it. If there is any part of this video that you don't understand, please drop it as a comment in the comment section there, and I will come back to answer each and every question that you drop there. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.